Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking in this video. So today I am going to show you how to make Snapchat notifications not show names. So if you want your Snapchat notifications to not show any information, you just need to follow this simple step. So first, you need to go to your settings and then scroll down and go to your app management. And in here, you need to tap on the app list and you'll need to scroll down again to find the Snapchat section in here. So that is the Snapchat. And then you'll need to go to the manage notifications, and then you'll just need to turn on the hide notification details on lock screen. So this will allow your Snapchat notifications to not show any information in your lock screen. So that is all for this video, and I hope it helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.